Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Instagram cross posting. So cross posting is a feature on Instagram where you can simultaneously share your Instagram story, post, or even reels to your Facebook account. So as you know that Instagram and Facebook are interlinked to each other, so you can upload or posting on Instagram and also on Facebook. So if you want to enable that feature, you can just follow the steps right here. So first, let's launch the Instagram apps. And then here, you can just go to your profile at the bottom in here and go to the three lines icon at the top. Okay, so this is the settings and activity page. You can just scroll down, and here under the who can see your content section, there will be this cross posting option. So when you click on that, okay, you can see that I've already signed in into my Facebook also on this device. So if you want to manage the settings for cross posting, you need to go to the account center in here. So click on the account center and Instagram will bring you to this page sharing across profile. So here, share form, this is my Instagram, and share to, this is my Facebook account. So in here you need to enable this automatically share option. You can choose whether you want to turn on all of this post, story, and reels, or maybe you want to only share a specific, for example, Instagram story only to your Facebook. So you can just click on this little button in here until it turns to blue. And for reels, for Instagram reels, first you need to set it up. So just click on the set up button. So here is share your reels to Facebook. So here people can enjoy your reels by automatically sharing this and future reels to Facebook as your account, and reels can appear in feed, video, and other places across Facebook. And your default audience for reels on Facebook is set to friends, so only your friends can see your reels. So you don't need to worry that your reels won't be public on Facebook. And people on Facebook can create reels with your original audio or remix your video. You can update your default audience for reels at any time in the Facebook settings. And you can also always choose not to share a specific reels to Facebook. So if you want to enable this, you can tap on allow. Okay, so now the automatically share has been activated for my Instagram story and also reels. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.